In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front door panel on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located on the front door. Let's get started. Open up the door handle. We're going to go to this bottom left corner and we're going to pop this little trim piece out. Pull it towards you. Behind that trim door, we have a 10mm bolt. Go ahead and remove that. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to get under our unlock button and we're going to push straight up. We're able to remove our switch. On the back side, we have a locking tab. Pull that red locking tab back. Push on that tab in the middle. And remove the connector. Remove your switch. Open the small door. Under there is going to be a 7mm screw. Go ahead and remove that screw. We're going to go to the bottom right of this panel. We're going to try and get our fingers under it. If you can't get your fingers under it, using a trim tool, we're going to get under the door. We're going to go around and pop the clips. Once I have most of the sides separated, I like to take a hand and just grab the bottom and pull straight out towards me. This will pop a good amount of your clips. With all of the clips popped, pull the door panel up off of the lock. Now we're going to have a few connectors on the back side we need to get. We're going to remove the cable from our handle. To do this, we're going to use a pair of pliers. We're going to pinch these two tabs and pull the cable out. Pull the cable out of the handle. Remove the connector for the door panel. Push on the button, pull straight out, remove the connector, and remove the door panel. Install the door panel into place. And on this right side, we have a connector for our memory seat. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. I'm going to pull that window switch harness through the front of the panel. Last thing we have to do is get this cable installed. Install the cable into place. Pull it over. Stretch it. Push it into that bracket until it locks in. That's all the connectors. I'm going to pull this out. Install the door panel over the lock. Make sure you pull that mirror switch connector out. Go around the door, setting all of the clips. I like giving it a pull, make sure they're all locked in. Install the 10mm bolt. Install the small trim piece. It'll click into place. Install the mirror switch. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Make sure that red locking tab is closed. Install the window switch, push straight down until it clips into place. Install the small bolt. Snug it down and close that little trim door.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.